Sige.
Yes. I don't want to. Yes.
Lo.
Cook na. Customer, cook your own order. Who's customer? Me. Okay, cook your own food. Because the oven is right there.
Baligtad nga to kasi ng pangalan eh. Oh. Tapos andito yung luto. Hindi, tapos lutuan eh. Hindi, magluluto ka, baliktad eh.
Ano ba yan? I fix it. No, that's not how you do it. Do it.
Lo. No.
Ayun mo. Brenda! What's your mom?
Jelana, she's gonna give you, customer give you money.
Oh, I don't have money. Okay, how am I cooking these?
She need to cook there.
Back. I get my money.
Read the direction. The pizza. Oh, she want pizza. Ate don't wants pizza. See. Ala. Ulo.
Nasabi ko lang eh.
It's not funny ko na.
No, that's how you do it.
I have my money.
Hindi yung oven eh.
Huwag ka na, Mega. Nandiyan di lutuan. Oh.
Ano ba yan?
Yung mga customer ko. Ano yung customer? Jelana, huwag kang ganyan. Bakit?
High blood yun.
Bakit ganyan na si...
Can I have hot dog?
Hindi pa siya ready.
Do that.
No, they're customer. They don't need to cook.
Yeah, you're the one cooking.
I'll do it.
No, you have to do it.
Oh.
Like how? Give me my plate. No, you have to on the phone.
I'm double dapper. Onion rings.
Hi, what do I?
Hi, can I have a hot
So
dog?
she's the customer.
Hi, can I have one hot dog and a beef taco and ice cream, please?
Baliktad!
Huwag ka na.
And can I have some water too, please?
There's no water.
Yes, there is right there.
Oh, that's a milk.
Nagluluto na siya ng hotdog.
Can you read that for me? Distilled water.
Oh, okay. Distilled.
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 I'm sorry. I couldn't see that.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Do you know how you do it?
Oh, you forgot the lettuce.
I never asked for
Yeah,
burger.
it's like that. Then you put the lettuce on the hot dog. No, because it's shaped like it. That's not how you do
Just how pinky up, guys.
It's not flat.
Pinky
No,
up.
it's not flat.
Pinky up. Thank you, guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Don't forget your
Teka, basahin mo na sa direction.
You gotta go like this, Joanna. You gotta go like this. There you go.
Give me that. Masunog yung hotdog mo. Dapat ikaw magluto.
Naguyong data nga tindera.
Walang customer.
Oh, how much do I have to owe you?
Ala, parang si Diwata ng... Ala, Diwata.
There's the price.
Ititi mo na yung hotdog. Naluto na siya.
May sakamot, lala.
Naluto na yung hotdog mo.
Sunog na! Hotdog is burned. The hotdog is burned. Hindi kasi nagkakaon. Kala ko
Oh, matapang yung tindera.
Lulutuin pa yung hotdog. Buksan mo na.
Ay, Lo. Sarado. Close.
She's close. No. You mean?
Really?
I want my burger and my...
Wala na the ice cream.
Where's my food, ma'am?